Also introducing the next generation of CVD-coated carbide for steel machining, CA025P. Kyocera's leading-edge coating technology dramatically increases tool life in steel machining applications. The alumina layer is twice as thick as conventional coatings. With a specialized post-coating process and new substrate, the CA025P provides excellent wear resistance. When compared to conventional CVD grades, the CA025P maintains excellent wear resistance at speeds of 500 surface meters per minute. The CA025P's cutting edge remained in good condition, while the conventional CVD insert's edge became damaged. Internal testing shows a reduction in sudden fractures to provide stable machining throughout the process. Customer testing has also shown CA025P to deliver longer tool life in tool steel with its wide range of material applications. An expansive lineup of positive and negative insert geometries is available to boost production of any application. Create the part without worrying about the tool. Use the next generation CVD coating technology, CA025P, for your next steel machining application.